Hello, welcome again. We are solving Indian Forest Services Mechanical Engineering Paper 2 of year 2010. Question number 5A is describe in brief how fly ash is disposed of by dry system and wet system. What problem are caused by present systems of fly ash disposal? Give application of fly ash. So fly ash can be disposed of in variety of ways, including dry disposal, wet disposal, and recycling. So dry disposal is fly ash is collected in ash vessels from ESP hopper. Fly ash is dumped in landfill or fly ash basins. Fly ash can be used as a raw material for cement manufacturing. Wet disposal is fly ash is transported as slurry through pipes. Fly ash is disposed of in impoundments called ash ponds. Most power plants use wet disposal system. And third way is recycling. Certain types of ash like bottom ash can be recycled or reused. Recycling ash can promote environmental sustainability and cost effectiveness. So the problem with disposal is the fly ash disposal method primarily involves either dry dumping in landfill or wet disposal in ash ponds. But both method pose environmental concerns like groundwater contamination due to leaching of heavy metals from the ash, air pollution from the wind erosion, and large land requirement for disposal sites, making proper management crucial to mitigate these issues. The biggest problem with fly ash disposal includes its potential to pollute water sources, impact soil quality, and contribute to air pollution if not handled correctly. So, fly ash has many applications. Applications of fly ash, including in construction, agriculture, environmental remediation. So, construction applications are concrete fly ash is a pozzolana, which means it reacts with calcium hydroxide to form cementitious compounds. This makes fly ash concrete stronger, more durable, and uses less water. Bricks. Fly ash bricks are denser, stronger, and more stable than regular bricks. Road base. Fly ash is used to create materials that are less likely to crack or rot. Mine backfilling. Fly ash can fill in hollows and shaft left behind mining. Next application is agriculture, soil amendment. The fly ash improves plant growth and water retention capacity. Slow release fertilizer. Fly ash can be used to make fertilizer that release nutrients slowly. Environment remediation. Wastewater treatment. Fly ash porosity and chemical composition make it useful for treating wastewater. Gas cleaning. Fly ash can be used to clean gas. CO2 capture. Fly ash can be used to capture CO2. Fly ash is also used in consumer goods such as detergent builders and in industrial processes such as catalysts. Okay, so these are the uses of fly ash. So I have downloaded it from internet. You can also download it and study these. So these are the theoretical parts, so which are available in internet. So this is the answer.